Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no signal issue in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back to your home screen and reinsert your SIM card. After you insert your SIM card, then open your settings. In settings, click on my phone and then click on system updates. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on system and then click on reset phone. Now click on reset Wi-Fi settings. It means reset Wi-Fi, mobile network settings and Bluetooth settings. Now click on reset. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.